13 July 2020. Good morning. You are listening Prakriti Gupta, your news anchor from Lavafra Media. Here we bring you the latest updated news from around the world. Globally, coronavirus cases have passed 12.6 million and there have been more than 564,000 deaths. The US has 3.24 million confirmed cases and 134,700 deaths according to the Johns Hopkins University. Victoria has recorded 273 new cases on Sunday after registering 216 new cases on Saturday, while a man in his 70s died on Saturday night. A Sydney hotel worker has tested positive for COVID-19. Around 600 people were at the hotel on the night when there was a crossover with two other confirmed cases. Victorians have been asked to wear masks when they can't social distance or are in enclosed spaces like shop or public transport. It led to jump in mask sales. Coronavirus updates. Amitabh Bachchan's son Abhishek tests positive for COVID-19, both admitted to Mumbai hospital. Delhi update. Rajasthan Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot has arrived in Delhi to meet party high command and has sought time for a meeting with Congress interim president Sonia Gandhi, sources said on Sunday. The sources said that at least a dozen MLAs said to be from Pilot's camp are also saying put in NCR Delhi region at various places. Pilot had come to Delhi on Saturday. India coronavirus numbers explain as Karnataka overtakes UP, another lockdown in a Bangalore. Bangalore had been experimenting with lockdowns during the weekends earlier as well, but there has been no respite in the growing number of infections in the state. Uttar Pradesh comes up with new strategy to tackle COVID-19. Offices and markets to remain closed on weekends. In a major decision, the Uttar Pradesh government has decided that offices and markets in the state will remain closed on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. The decision to close market was taken by Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath to check the spread of coronavirus disease. Additional Chief Secretary, Home Department Avnish K. Avasthi said that banks and other industrial units will not close down. He also said that production in factories, movement of goods and vehicles carrying essential commodities will be permitted. Other economic activities will continue, Avasthi said. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has also ordered to conduct 50,000 tests per day in the states. Times Now Prashant Kumar reports the state of Uttar Pradesh has geared up to contain the spread of coronavirus, and over the past 2 weeks we have seen the number have gone up significantly as far as testing is concerned, and now to take a step further, the CM has ordered 50,000 tests on daily basis. Madhya Pradesh latest update, total lockdown on Sunday. Bhopal, with complete lockdown on Sunday all across the state in the wake of spurt in COVID-19 cases, city residents, mainly office goers, are feeling the pinch as they say. It's only the Sunday that they have time to go to the market. Maharashtra latest update. Maharashtra Minister of Higher Education and Technical Education Uday Samant on Sunday, July 12 said that the Union Human Resources Department Ministry should cancel the varsity exams as coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic has now entered into the safe places like Raj Bhavan and superstar Amitabh Bachchan's home. He also added that holding the exams amid coronavirus outbreak is not safe for the students, and the University Grant Commission should not play with the lives of the students. So this is all about today. I, Prakriti Gupta, will come with the new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.